Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text on Flipaclip applications. Keep watching the video till the end. To add text on Flipaclip, firstly open your Flipaclip application. The home page of Flipaclip application will appear on the screen. Click on any project you want to add text to. Now to add text, tap on text icon at the top right side of the screen. Enter or type in your text to insert. After you're done entering your text, click on Insert. You can also move the text or resize it or even change the font of the text as per your preferences. This is how you can add text on Flipaclip application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.